y'all know me, man, y'all know that I love me a good New York style pizza. Used to have a nice spot in Florida I used to hit up when I used to live down there. But I've been in Utah for years and I've still not been able to accomplish the goal of finding a good New York style pizza spot. Hopefully I can put that to bed today. Alright, so we just got the slices here, folks, and you know, for what it's looking like, the vision test definitely looks good. Definitely look like a New York style. So we're gonna go ahead and take a bite here and see what it tastes like. Flavor's good. Sauce is good. Cheese is good. Yeah, give it a thumbs up, man. Finally found a spot where I can get a good slice. Check this place out. Villaggio's. Make your stop. Place.